Hey everybody, today in this video we're going to be making pizza toast. It's a really easy recipe to make. You should give it a try. I have here some white bread. We're going to take 2 slices out. We'll be making 2. So for this recipe, it's very important that you specifically have these 2 seasoning, garlic powder and oregano. We're going to start with garlic powder first. We're just going to sprinkle it on. Okay. And most importantly, some oregano. Okay. We also have some pizza sauce. Try to get all the edges. Okay, we have the pizza sauce on. For the topping, you can choose whatever you like. But for me, I like Canadian bacon, so we're gonna put that on first. Next is some cheese. Pizza cheese. It's cheddar and Monterey Jack. And next we're gonna add some pepperoni. There we go. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna preheat the air fryer. We're gonna set it at 300 degrees for 5 minutes, and we're gonna let it preheat first. Okay, the air fryer's been preheated. Let's put in the pizza toast. Okay, there we go. And the last thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna sprinkle just a little bit extra cheese on top after you put it into the air fryer. Hopefully that also keeps the pepperoni from falling off the pizza as well. Okay, we're gonna put it back in and let it cook for 5 minutes. The pizzas are ready. Oh yeah, looking good. This is what we have today, pizza toast. Give it a try. It's really easy to make and delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like. And thanks for watching. Subscribe to support our channel, and thanks for watching.